Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Artman. These are a battery pack as well as a charger for the GoPro Hero 9 and 10s. Alright, so today we got these Artman battery and charger. These are fully compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 and 10. It is a greater battery capacity than the original. So the original GoPro has 1720 milliamp. This one here has 1800 milliamp. So this is what the charger looks like. It holds up to 3 batteries, and it includes 3 batteries in this. So you have 3 extra batteries to charge. And then this is your charger. This is a Type-C charging plug, and then it has a light in the back that basically tells you when it's red, it's being charged. Green means they're fully charged. This has overcharging protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, surge protection, short circuit protection, over discharge protection. So you have 4 ways of charging it. You can charge it via the car charger, a laptop, power bank, and the wall. So this is ergonomic rubber coating design. So when you want to put these in, you just match up the little springs at the bottom and they'll just slide right in there like that. It doesn't take very long to charge these ones. These ones do have the 1800 milliamp. So it's perfectly compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 and 10 and the 910 battery charger. It is triple your camera runtime and complete backup package, including the 1800 milliamp Hero batteries and 3-channel Hero charger. So it has 6 layers of protection: overcharging, short circuit, high temperature, and surge protection with high quality fire resistant constructions. So this is what it looks like on the back of the battery. It looks exactly just like the GoPro Hero 9 and 10 batteries. I have the GoPro Hero 9 black, so this one looks identical to that one, even though this one says for the 10, and you can see it says 10 and 9. It supports wall charging, laptop charging, power bank charging. It is recommended not to use the car charger to charge the battery if possible. So it's more recommended if you're going to use a power bank or the wall. So this is your standard Type-C charging cable. It does not come with a block, but you do get the cable, so you can connect this to the wall outlet or a power bank. So the battery energy is 3.85 volts or 6.62 watts. It is a polymer ion. It's rechargeable up to 2100 times. The working time on a 1080p is about 70 minutes when it's fully charged. So this is what the charger looks like. On the pictures it looks a lot bigger, but it is not. It's really small, which is a nice. So this blue right here is telling you that it is charging. You got these red lights up here. Once it is completely charged, they will turn to green, or if you take the battery out, it will turn to green. So these batteries are supposed to help you get more running time for shooting and more power and fun. The great thing about this, it does have the protection. It is compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 and 10, which is the black. And then you get 3-channel USB storage and quick charging with closed lid for GoHero Pro 9. It can charge 3 packs for the Hero 10 simultaneously. It supports a 5-volt 2.1 amp max. So this is what it looks like when they're all in. If you want to get them out, you just pull them by their little stickers here. You can also charge the original GoPro Hero batteries in this charger. So this charger here gives you 3 batteries, so you have extra batteries to run your GoPro Hero. You can also charge your GoPro Hero battery in this. If you guys are looking for a nice charger with a backup batteries, I would definitely say check these ones out. These ones are awesome. I'm so glad that I purchased these ones. Now I don't have to keep changing my battery with the high capacity of 1800 milliamp, so they last a bit longer than the original GoPro batteries.